Introducing the M75 Security Patrol USV, a high-performance, uncrewed vessel developed by OceanAlpha. It's designed to handle various critical missions such as round-clock patrol, search and rescue, logistics and oil spill detection. At 5.5 meters long with a shallow draft, the M75 can be deployed quickly in various maritime scenarios. Featuring a deep V monohull and an axe-like bow, it can navigate at high speeds and make sharp turns. Equipped with a diesel engine and water-jet propulsion, the M75 can reach 25 knots and cover 120 nautical miles. Can operate safely in waves up to 1.25 meters and can endure waves of 2.5 meters. Fitted with a suite of environmental sensing equipment including navigation radar, LiDAR, panoramic cameras, and electro-optical systems, it can detect and assess obstacles such as boats, buoys, and reefs. Integrated with OceanAlpha's advanced third-generation autonomous control system, it's capable of automatically avoiding both dynamic and static targets, ensuring safe navigation in complex environments. Its multi-network integration ensures reliable communication for various scenarios. The control station can merge a satellite and electronic charts and can integrate various sensors for accurate situational awareness, enhancing operational precision. Users can also conduct efficient route planning, task assignment, and cluster control on the control station. The M75 is an innovative asset for offshore oil and gas platforms, capable of performing a wide array of tasks. Outfitted with transport container, it can efficiently transport supplies between platforms, replacing traditional large vessels and significantly reducing vessel leasing and fuel costs, as well as cutting carbon emissions. Equipped with oil spill detector, the M75 can conduct continuous, automated monitoring, enabling users to detect and respond to oil spills promptly. Besides, the M75 can also support maritime departments in managing water traffic, supervising construction, verifying illegal activities, conducting emergency rescue, and inspecting ship crews. Supports water police departments with round-clock patrols and tasks such as anti-smuggling and anti-illegal immigration. By streamlining complex tasks and reducing human exposure to risks, the M75 is redefining maritime operations with unparalleled intelligence, efficiency, economy, and safety.